Many look forward to boots, sweaters, pumpkin spice, and the cooler weather that autumn brings. It can be hard to enjoy with cold and flu season upon us. So here are some immunity boosters to help survive these sniffles. Is pharmacist turned blogger Lisa Leslie Williams. Great to have you here.
Nice to be here again.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so let's get right to it. And some of the things you're going to start over here with some things. I always love these segments. Try to take notes because everyone knows I'm a junk food junkie, so I need some help as much as I can. What are we going to start with over here?
We're going to start with some ginger.
Okay.
So ginger is great as an immune booster. Most people think about ginger as something to take when their tummy's a little sick and they're nauseous, but it also helps to boost the immune system.
Okay.
So use this in your stir fries. Use it in your juices and your smoothies to get a little, jump of ginger.
Now, question, is there like a powder form? I tried taking like a ginger vitamin,
Yes.
and it was way too strong.
Yes.
I couldn't do it.
Yes, it actually comes in granulated forms as well, if that's easier for you.
Okay.
And if it's too strong for you, you can also look for things like teas. I have a lemon ginger tea here.
Okay,
So you can find this at any, organic food market.
Okay. Can I smell this?
Oh, yeah. Well, you know what? I think you have to pop the lid. But
Oh,
yes.
I don't want to do that.
Can you smell it through this?
I can't smell through that. Yeah. So
Yeah,
okay, that's doable. That's
yeah.
doable. So
There we go.
get the full whiff.
Yeah, you can see if you get a whiff of that. So
I can do that. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
but when you're buying the ginger, make sure you look at the packet to make sure there's no extra sugar or anything as part of the ingredients,
That's
right?
key. Okay.
So,
all right.
So
a little ginger. Okay.
So Larry, I read that most of our body's bacteria, like about 90%, and
Wow.
a lot of that bacteria is in your gut. So that's actually where 80% of your immunity lies, in your gut.
Okay.
Okay, so what we want to do is take probiotics and fermented foods to help with, keeping our gut flora in check.
Okay.
So what I have here is some kombucha.
Okay.
And I also have some sauerkraut. And I'm not sure if you heard of kefir, but anything fermented, miso, anything that's fermented will basically help keep your gut flora in check because you want to keep the balance of good bacteria and bad bacteria.
Yes. This is just a drink. Just pop it and drink it.
It's
just
a
like
drink.
Okay.
Yes,
All
but
right.
let me tell you, the first time I had kombucha, I did the mistake of shaking it up.
Oh.
You don't want to do that.
Don't shake it.
No, because it's fizzy inside and it will just explode on you.
Oh, okay. What are those? Okay.
Yes, it will explode on you. So
Good to know.
remember that. So,
All right. Kombucha. Got that? You writing
Yes.
this down? Okay. There we go.
So citrus fruits. So everybody thinks about citrus fruits for their vitamin C. If you have a cold, it'll help shorten the duration of the cold. Okay. So of course I have lemons, grapefruits, oranges, all that jazz.
Okay.
Now vitamin C. Everybody thinks, okay, grab the citrus. But what most people don't know is red peppers have more vitamin C than citrus fruits. Yes, about 3 times more vitamin C in a half cup of red peppers.
I eat a lot of pizzas. Is that why I'm healthy?
I'm going to leave that one alone. No, I'm going to leave that alone. No, that's a trap.
I got jokes. I got jokes.
Yes, you have jokes. You have jokes. So garlic is another thing that helps boost the immunity. Now, some people find garlic off-putting because of the taste or sometimes some, some GI upset, but you can roast this. Okay. So I would just take the whole bulb, put some olive oil in it, pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Or you could be like my father-in-law, and he just pops this out and pops the whole thing
just
raw.
like it's an apple.
Just like
really.
a shot.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to try?
No.
Okay.
Because I go get sit on set, and Audrey really upset at me if I walk back over with that. So exactly. So now, how long does that affect usually? What after you eat the garlic? What do you do to get your breath back to normal?
I would just say brush your teeth.
Just brush your teeth.
I would just say brush your teeth. Good old toothpaste will do it for you. Yeah.
Little mouthwash. That's all right. Okay. All right. Go ahead.
So we have some cayenne pepper. This is good for eliminating toxins in the body. So you can just sprinkle it on salads, or you can put it in soups. So that's what cayenne peppers do. It just helps pretty much detoxify the GI tract.
Okay.
And I don't know if you ever heard of that cayenne pepper soup diet thing. That's how that works, because it literally helps flush the system.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So really kind of put that, sprinkle almost anything.
Yes,
just
you
sprinkle
can.
it in, and it'll kind of blend in.
It will kind of blend in. Yes.
Mild kick, but not too much.
Yeah, just a mild kick.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So we have tomatoes here. Tomatoes are filled with lycopene and vitamin C.
Okay.
And I know we're not talking about it, but they're good for anti-cancer too. So just really good all around.
Now you got a soup here. Can we get a taste test real quick?
Yes.
Taste
So
this.
I have a soup. It's
So
called
what is
a
this now?
roasted tomato red pepper soup.
Okay.
And it has all the good stuff I mentioned. It has
Okay.
the tomatoes. It has the garlic, it has the red pepper.
Okay.
And so, yeah, it's really good for your immunity, good for the cold and flu season. And it's really, really easy to make.
Okay.
I literally just got some fresh tomatoes, Roma and vine ripened tomatoes.
Okay.
Put it in the oven at 325 for 2 hours and slow cooked the goodness out of it. Right?
Wow.
This would be good
Garlic
as a tomato sauce on a pizza.
Yes,
Yeah.
totally.
See?
You like it?
Spaghetti,
That's what you should. The pizza thing. You should use this
You're
instead.
back
That's
to the
right.
pizza.
That's right. What is your website? We're out of time, unfortunately.
It's called thedomesticlifestylist.com, and
Okay.
you can go there for lifestyle tips, the recipes, and you make sure to follow me on Instagram at
so
The
good.
Domestic Lifestylist.
Okay, we're getting healthy. Okay, Lisa Leslie Williams, thanks so much. It's always good to see you.
Yummy.